Hi, this is Tahmina Khan. Today I will explain you the relative velocity question number 6 from exercise 24.2. And as we can see in the question, the aircraft in still air has a speed 300 km per hour. Students mostly have confusion which one is a true velocity and which one is a relative velocity. So there are 2-3 things they should remember. The direction set by the captain or the pilot is always a relative velocity. Like in this case, the speed of an aircraft in still air. Now, air is still or it is not still. The speed set by the pilot is the relative speed with respect to wind. For the person who is on the land and watching that plane, the speed will be different. If there is no air, the speed will remain 300. But if air or wind is blowing with the speed of suppose 6 km per hour, then for the person on the ground, the speed of the aeroplane will be 306. So this is one of the way to understand it. As we will see the explanation of different question, you will understand better what I mean. So let's see the explanation of this question here. Now in the question it was written that the speed of the plane in still air is 300 km per hour. So it is your relative speed. Further it was written the wind is blowing from the east. When it is saying from the east, it means coming from the east towards west. So the vector will be like this. Now you have this vector here. Then it was saying the aircraft is steered on the course in the direction of 60 degree. Now in the direction of 60 degree mean on the bearing of 60 degree. So you have this vector and you have this vector here. So in this question speed was told earlier and direction later. So you have one complete vector here. And now you have to find the true velocity of the aircraft. It means you have to find out what is the destination of the airplane, where it is actually going. So now if we join this, or if we see here, actually wind is coming from this direction like this, and pilot had set the course of 60 degree, which is this, from the north. So it is understood if pilot has set the course in this direction and wind is coming from here, automatically it will make it fly somewhere here. We don't know at what angle, that we will calculate later. So if you look at the diagram, this is your velocity of plane with respect to wind. Wind is pushing it in this direction, it is 60. And here always remember the magnitude makes a difference in the diagram. Make this line longer than this line because it has magnitude 300 and it has magnitude 60. Now, how did I get this 30 degree inside? This is the velocity of the plane, or where it is actually go. I have to calculate this velocity and this theta. Now if this is 60 degree, then according to the property of angle of parallel lines, because this line which is straight here, if you see it is a vertical angle here, so this angle will be 60 degree. And if it is toward west and this is towards south, then this whole is 90 degree. So 90 minus 60 will be 30 degree. This is how I got this angle 30 degree. So now I know two sides in terms of speed and one angle. So I can use cosine rule and I can find out the magnitude of the speed here basically of the plane. So I have applied here cosine rule and I found the velocity, which is 250 km per hour. It is important from Cambridge point of view that they ask to write the final answer in 3 significant figure. So actual answer was this, which in 3 significant figure will be 250. Now I have to find out this theta. Only then I will be able to express the velocity completely, because in velocity you have to express magnitude and you have to express angle. To find out this angle, I will find out this angle first and then subtract it from 60. So I will apply sine rule. So I will do, let's see here, this is my theta 1. So I am doing sine theta 1 over 60, which is here, and then sine 30 over this angle. So you can see here, I have applied it here. This side we have just found the magnitude of the velocity of plane. So after finding it out, calculating, I got theta 1 is equals to 6.896. Since I have to find out this angle, so from 60 I will subtract this portion. So now it is 53.1. And since I am expressing in terms of bearing, so I have to mention in 3 digits. So on the bearing of 053.1 degree. Thank you.